Ah. Ramdi cakacak. Cakacak. Parikrama, parikrama. बाईस में
राधे राधे महाराज।
जय जय श्री राधे राधे।
राधे राधे। राम राम जी चकाचक।
सब में एक साथ हाँ तो यम करके राधे राधे महाराज।
जय हो जय हो। So this is the Sri Radha Paban Bihari Ji Mandir, and this is the Paban Sarovar. So it's still dark here. It's only like 4:45. Yes, Prabhu Prema Bilas, good morning. Radhe Radhe Jai Ho. Ang aga mo naman, Prabhu. So actually we are already late. Because in Braj, the most Mangala Aarti, they will start during Kartik, especially here. They would start around 4 a.m. In other temples, 4:30, 4:15. So it's really that early. So now I am going to walk around for my daily morning routine. So now we are now in the main road. This road goes to Kamyaban, and this road straight to Kosikalan or Kosi. राम राम जी। राम राम जी चकाचक। So we are going to perform a parikram first around Nandagang. Then at the end, our last stop would be the Nanda Baban temple or Nanda Baba Mandir. So this is the village of Krishna and Balaram. Krishna Balaram, they just live right next to your neighbor. So they are your neighbors. Imagine Krishna and Balaram is your neighbor. Wow. Yes, baka mawala tayo sa daan. Sometimes it is also good to get lost here in Braj. You are still in Braj. राम राम जी चकाचक। Ram Ram ji, chakachak. Ram Ram ji, chakachak. Ram Ram ji, chakachak. So we are bulabog here in the village. That is how we greet each other. So this is the culture here, like the local culture. We don't greet good morning or magandang umaga. We greet each other Ram Ram ji chakachak or Radhe Radhe. Ram Ram ji chakachak. Ram Ram ji. Ram Ram ji. Nandito na po ang samok sa balay. Nambubulabog ng mga taong natutulog. So it's really nice to walk around in the morning. It is so peaceful. Nobody would bother you, disturb you. Now it's getting cold and colder every morning, huh? Because the winter is approaching. So the temperature would go down day by day or drop down. Chakachak, ano meaning ng chakachak? Chakachak means like, alright, everything's gonna be alright. It's like that. Like, okay, very good. Mabuti. So it's like a positive morning greetings, or like whole day you can just say chakachak. Ram Ram ji, chakachak. Ram Ram ji, chakachak. Chakachak. Chakachak.
Ram Ram ji.
Ram Ram ji. Yes, that is Ram Ram. Chakachak means like it's a PMA, positive mental attitude. No? You are like Ram Ram ji, chakachak. Like you are transmitting a positive vibes, no, to everyone. Yes, it's like all is well. No, in Three Idiots, if you have watched that movie, yes, all is well. Ram Ram ji, chakachak. Ram Ram. It is a Brajabasha, no? A Brajabasi lingo. So you can only hear that here in Braj, especially in the village. It's not usually being used. It's like an forgotten expression. Ram Ram ji,
Ram Ram ji.
chakachak. So this is the road going to Barshana actually, yes. If you go straight, like you Ram Ramji, like if you walk it's like around 7 kilometers, then you will reach Barshana. Yes, I brought Jagad also here before. He stayed also here for a few days. I think 2 to 3 days. Ram Ramji, it was around Garapornim, I think, before pandemic time. Yeah, a lot of Filipino devotees, I brought them here and let them visit our school or around here in Nandagang. Ram Ramji! Okay, this is our second stopover. So this is like my daily ritual. No? So first I will go to Paban Sarobar to have a darshan of Paban Bihariji. So in Paban Bihariji, earlier you have seen the Murti of Raja Paban Bihariji. So this now is known as Paban Bihari because of the pastime in Paban Sarovar. And on the right side of Krishna is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and on, of course, on his left side is Srimati Radhika. Yes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here in Braj, just like what I have narrated yesterday or last night during our katha. Also, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came here in Nandagang, and he took his bath in Paban Sarovar. No? Okay, now this is another temple, and there is also a kunda here. It is called More Kund, and Ram Ramji, and deities or murtis in the main altar is called Sri Radha More Bihariji. So now we are entering the More Bihari Mandir. Huh? Why is it blurred? Maybe some moist, because it's a little bit moist. There's a moist. Huh? Okay. It's good now. Yes. You see? Sri More Bihari Mandir. Okay. Ram Ramji Chakachak. Okay. So this is More Bihari Mandir. This temple. Ram Ramji. Radhe Radhe. So, Heber Prabhu. You can see there are lots of artworks here. Because the Baba who is maintaining this temple is an artist. So this is Sri Radha More Bihari Ji Ki Jai. More Bihari Lal Ki Jai. So more means peacock. You see on the altar. It has a peacock backdrop. Huh? And there are lots of wall artworks here or sculpture which was created by the Baba who is maintaining this temple, who is doing puja and everything. I will show you later. So this is More Bihari Ji. This is Radha and Krishna. So this temple is connected with the pastime of Radha and Krishna dancing like peacock. That's why in the altar you can see the decoration. Huh? The painting of the peacock. It's so beautiful, huh? Yes, this actually it's not only a painting, it's like also a sculpture made of cement. Huh? So It's a three-dimensional backdrop. The peacock in the middle and the two peacocks on each side. It's made of cement. So this is more Bihariji. And on the outside there is a kunda, which is called more kund. So you can see now I will show you different sculpture on the wall. So this is the pastime here. Radha and Krishna, dancing like peacock. Yeah. Not really, yeah, this in the wall is like an embossed style. But in the altar it's like it's like more of a figurine, no? But it's made of cement, yeah. But here in the wall, yes, it's like an emboss. Yeah, see? This is Krishna as a peacock and Radharani. No, they manifested their peacock form and they dance beautifully like peacock. So that's why it's called More Bihari. More means peacock. And there are lots of artworks here around. See? Lot more peacock. And you will see on the other side of the wall, there is Shivaji. Bam bam bole bol Bolinath, Har Har Mahadev. Of course, when Shivaji is there, Nandiji is there. His servant, Nandiji, the bull. And of course, this is Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra. Yes. Jai Ho, Jai Jagannath Ji. And we have Garuda Ji. And more peacock. And we have Ganesh Ji. Chakachak. Chakachak. Another peacock, you see. And we have Saraswati Ji. And more peacock. And here, this is Hanuman Ji. Jai Bolo Hanuman Ji. And of course, this is the most fascinating of all the wall sculpture. This is Sri Nrsimhadev Bhagavan Ki Jai. Roar! See, we have Lord Nrsimhadev here. You see, Hiranyakasipu, he killed Hiranyakasipu. Look at this. Prema Vilas, you should also make like this. Very nice. And of course, lastly, we have Sri Varahadev Ji. Jai Ho. Okay, see? There are lots of artworks here. And our Baba, he created all these artworks. Okay, so now we have to continue our parikrama because we have to keep on walking and walking. See, this is the servant of Ganesh, the rat. It is called the Ganesh. See, this is the carrier of Ganesh, the Ganesh. Okay, let's move on. Also here around the courtyard, there are also few more artworks created by Baba. Where is Baba? I saw him earlier sweeping the temple courtyard. Maybe he is somewhere. So I think I have his photo in one of the albums I uploaded, so you can see him there. Okay, let's move on. Ram Ram Ji. Yes, Radhe Radhe Baba. So this is Baba. Jai Ho, Jai Ho. See, he's doing everything. Puja, cleaning, cooking, arts. So humble, huh? Unlike in our temples, the pujari, it's a taboo or forbidden to ask them to sweep the floor. They would tell you that that is not their seva. That is the mentality of our pujari. No? They are only doing what is on their job description, because pujari now is like a career or profession. In their description, all they have to do is to cook for deities and do puja, nothing else. So if you ask them to do this, to do that, they would ignore you. I've seen a lot of them. But here you can see, here in Braj, you will really be inspired by the pujaris. Most of the temples here are maintained by pujaris. They do everything. They would wake up in the morning. They would serve the murtis. They would perform abhishek. They will cook for them. They will do arti. Then they would clean the temple. And when you come to the temple, they would entertain you. They would give you prasad. They would tell you the pastime. So that's the mood here. Huh? And they don't get any single penny or salary in order for them to continue what they're doing. They were doing it for so many years. They have been here for so many years, and nobody gets paid. They don't receive any single salary. Unlike in our temples, if their payroll has been delayed for a day or days, they would they will tantrum, huh? And they won't do any service, they won't do any puja, or they will do their puja not in a good mood because they haven't received their salary. So the consciousness is different. Here the consciousness is different. Huh? So it's like, that's why it's so important to be inspired. Huh? When you come to the temple, you should be inspired. Huh? But how the devotees who are staying in the temple, they would inspire you with their seva. No? So it's really inspirational. So that's why it's so important for those who are practicing Krishna consciousness to visit the holy dham. So you would have the real glimpse of what is Braj. It's all about what is Krishna Bhakti, what is Braja Bhakti. Huh? Yes. Yes, Prabhu Prema. No money, no puja. Yes, that's right. You nailed it. You got it. Yeah. Because we inculcate this kind of culture nowadays in our services, that we started providing salary, because otherwise nobody would serve the deities. That's why the temple managers, they have find ways how to engage the devotees, the brahmanas. No? We have so many brahmanas, but if you don't give them salary, they won't do any puja. So the temple, in order to continue the deity worship, they started giving them a glittering salary, so they would continue serving the deities. Otherwise, no salary, no puja. Yes, you are right. So I don't know. That's how everything is going on right now. So I don't know how they would continue. If they continue this kind of thing, then everything will collapse, will become degraded. Anyway, that's their thing. And just we are just here trying to give you a glimpse, because most of us, our introduction and upbringing in Krishna consciousness, we have been introduced in this kind of transaction, but we never have an idea what is Ram Ji, chakachak. So we don't have idea, or we haven't seen what Krishna Bhakti is all about, really is all about. That is Braja Bhakti. We only have a chance to visit Braja in our replicate Braja, but it's that's not the real Braja. It's only the name. So here we are here in Braja. So anyway, I hope this is how we get inspiration. So now we are continuing our parikrama. Ram Ram Ji, Chaka Chak! Chaka Chak, Chaka Chak! Okay. Ram Ram Ji! Chaka Chak! Ram Ram Ji! Ram Ram Ji, Chaka Chak!
Ram Ji, अच्छा ये बात है।
हाँ Ram Ram Ji, Chaka Chak! Okay, so we would walk for 5 minutes or 10 minutes before we reach our next destination. Yes, about the pastime of more Bihariji. Actually, there are several more Bihari or more places, more like peacock places or peacock lila places which Radha and Krishna perform different peacock pastime. One here in Nandagaon. Actually, in Nandagaon there are 2 or 3 spots where they perform this peacock pastime. And there's another one in Barshana. They call it Morkuti. So here, the pastime of peacock, Radharani, she arranged like a competition between Krishna and the peacock, no? So Radharani wanted to see how Krishna danced, if he could depict the dancing of the peacock. So first, the peacock danced, and they dance elegantly, exquisitely, so beautiful. Their movements are so graceful. So then, it was Krishna's time. So Krishna showed his dancing ability, and he boasted that he could beat the peacock. But when Radharani saw the dancing of Krishna, Radharani told Krishna Ji, it's not even it's not even an inch compared to the huge size of the dancing of the peacock. Like Radharani told Krishna that she couldn't even compare it because Krishna's dancing is not good enough, wasn't good enough. So Radharani, in order to to tease Krishna more, she told Krishna that she would teach him how to dance. So Radharani started dancing, and both of them, they danced together. And because of their absorption, dancing like peacock, they have manifested their peacock form. And all the peacocks, they were stunned. They were watching and witnessing this dancing of Radha and Krishna like peacock. Huh? And all the peacocks, they also joined. Huh? So after some time, after their beautiful peacock dancing, then they return to their external consciousness. And all the peacocks, they clap in ecstasy. And the peacock, the king of the peacock, huh? He bowed down and offered respect to Radha and Krishna. Then Krishna was so pleased with the Radharani's dancing, so beautiful like peacock. And so a peacock feather, no, has fallen to the ground. One of the peacock feather from the peacock tail of the one of the peacocks. So Krishna picked it up, and Krishna told Radharani, in order for me to remind about this beautiful pastime of dancing like peacock, I would wear this peacock feather over my head as a remembrance of your beautiful dancing like peacock. So Krishna told this to Radharani, and as a respect to the peacocks who have given us a chance to perform this pastime, I would also wear this peacock feather over my crown. So that's how this peacock feather of Krishna has started. That's why Krishna started wearing this feather. Chakachak, Prabhuji, chakachak, as a remembrance, to remind about this beautiful lila, more lila, or what we call more Bihariji lila. Okay, that is the pastime. So we have just passed by the entry point in Lalita Kund, and here we also gonna pass by the road that would lead you to Uddhav Kyari. This Uddhav Kyari is also a beautiful place. It has also a very nice stories that covers that area. That is where Uddhav Ji met the gopis. So one time we will try to visit also that place. So this is the entry point to Uddhav Kyari. See, this is the signboard, but now it's so dark. So we continue our parikrama. Now we are going to turn right, because if you go straight you will arrive at Barshana, but if you turn right, this is the inner path to Nandagaon. राम राम जी, चकाचक चकाचक, राम राम जी, चकाचक. Okay, so our next destination is Yashoda Kund. That is the bathing place of Yashoda Maya, the mother of Krishna, and that is also where Krishna Balaram would take bath every morning. Yashoda Maya would bring Krishna Balaram there to take their morning bath, and before passing that, before going or reaching the Yashoda Kund, we would pass by Nanda Baitak, and on Nanda Baitak there is Nanda Sarovar or Nanda Kund. And this Nanda Kund, this is one of the bathing Kunda also by Nanda Maharaj. The other Kunda is the Paban Sarovar. Okay, and that Nanda Baitak, that is what I mentioned before, one of our katha. That is where Nanda Maharaj and all the elder villagers here in Nandagang would gather together. They would have conference. It's like, so this is the way to Nanda Baitak. Yes. Now we are going to Yashoda Kund. Okay, the network has been interrupted for a while, so now we are approaching Yashoda Kund. So Yashoda Kund, we have also Yashoda Mandir. In the Mandir, we are going to have a darshan of Yashoda Maya, and on the both side of Yashoda Maya we have Krishna and Balaram. Yes. Ram Ram ji, chakachak, 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 chakachak. Ram Ram ji, chakachak, chakachak. Okay, so this is the entrance to Yashoda Kund. So we also have the Goshala here on the right side, Krishna Balaram Goshala. So they said that this was the Goshala of Nanda Maharaj before. So remember the katha, how many cows they have? 9 lakh cows. It means 900,000 cows. So during the time of Nanda Maharaj, they have so many cows. Ram Ram ji,
चकाचक
chakachak, chakachak. Ekdam chakachak. Ram Ram ji. Radhe Radhe. Okay, so this is the Yashoda Mandir, Yashoda Temple. Ram Ram ji, chakachak, chakachak, chakachak. Jai ho, Yashoda Maya ki jai. Jai ho, jai ho. Yashoda Maya ki jai. Jai ho, jai ho. Yashoda Maya ki jai. Jai ho. Radhe Radhe Baba. Jai ho. So this is Yashoda Maya and Krishna Balaram. Jai ho, jai ho. Yashoda Maya ki jai. So this is the temple of Yashoda Maya, Yashoda Mandir. Jai ho, jai ho, jai ho. And also you can see in the altar at the bottom there are couple of Viraji and Salagram Shilas. So now the time is 5:30, you can see on the clock. So we have to move quickly so we could reach Nanda Baban temple in time. Okay, Jai Ho. Yashoda Maya ki Jai, Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. So this is the Yashoda Kund. Okay, still dark, you cannot see it. Anyway, one of our videos I have brought you also there. Okay, now we are heading to Nanda Baban, to the main temple here on the top of the hill. But before reaching that place, we will pass by another one temple. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak, Radhe Radhe. Ram Ram Ji. Okay, so we are moving towards the Nanda Baban temple. So this is the road that would lead you on the top of the hill of this Nandi Parbat, the hill expansion of Shivji. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak. Ram Ram Ji. Okay, so before moving to Nanda Baba Mandir, we will pass by another temple. This very old temple. This is the temple of Sri Nrsingadev. Roar! So this Nrsingadev Murti is the Lord Nrsingadev, which was worshipped by Nanda Baba himself. So it's a very old Murti of Sri Nrsingadev, more than 5,000 years old. But there is no network inside, so I don't know if we manage to have a network when we enter. Anyway, let us see. Shri Radhe, Radhe Radhe, Jai Ho, Shri Nrsingadev Bhagavan ki Jai, Jai Ho, Jai Nrsingadev ki, Jai Jai Nrsingadev, Jai Ho, Jai Ho, Jai. So, we are so lucky. We have network. So this is network. Okay. Just like what I have told you, there was no signal inside the temple, but still we managed. Yeah, you managed to get a glimpse or darshan of Shri Nrsingadev. So you are so fortunate today. So that Nrsingadev in the middle of the main altar, that was the same. That is the same Nrsingadev which was worshipped by Nanda Maharaj, huh? On the advice of Gargamuni, no, the family priest of Nanda Baba, huh? Because yes, we are back. Yes, because Krishna is always being attacked by demons. Gargamuni advised Nanda Maharaj to worship Lord Nrsingadev. So, Nanda Maharaj asked Vishwarup, the architect of the demigods, to create a murti of Shri Nrsingadev. So they said, this is what I heard from them, that Nrsingadev murti was created from a shalagram shila. Huh? Wow. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak, Chakachak. So, Nanda Maharaj, he worshipped that same Nrsingadev that you have just taken darshan of. So you are so fortunate. Okay, now we are going to the top of this mountain. Ram Ram Ji,
Ram Ram Ji, Ram Ram.
Chakachak. So we are gradually ascending. Okay, we are moving up, ascending on the top. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak. Chakachak Prabhu Ji. Jago, Jago. Jago, Gopal. Jago. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak. Chakachak. Jai Ho. Okay. Let's move on. We are climbing on the top. Huh. Huh. Okay, we are almost there. Hare Krishna. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak. Radhe Radhe. Ram Ram Ji, Chakachak. Chakachak. Okay.
Kajak.
राम राम जी, चकाचक चकाचक चकाचक। राम राम जी, चकाचक चकाचक। जय हो जय हो। चकाचक 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 चकाचक। राम राम जी, चकाचक 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 चकाचक। राम राम जी, चकाचक। जय हो, हर हर महादेव, हर हर महादेव। बम बम बोले, चकाचक चकाचक। जय हो जय हो जय हो। Okay, just right in time, we got the darshan of Krishna Balaram family, the family of Krishna, the first family, huh? Okay, so that would conclude our parikrama today. So this is the final leg of the parikrama, the Nanda Bhavan temple, or the main temple here in Nandagan. So we are doing parikrama of the mandir. So this is the temple of Nanda Maharaj, Nanda Baba, or also known as Krishna Balaram Mandir. Huh? This is the original Krishna Balaram Mandir in Braj. Okay. Ram Ram Ji. हर हर महादेव। जय हो। राम राम जी। जी चकाचक चकाचक चकाचक। जय हो, राधे 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 राधे। जय जय हो जय हो जय हो। Okay, that's all for today. But actually, before going back to my room, I will also pass by another temple. But because of the network problem, I'm gonna stop here. Jai ho, jai ho.